This is a brand new 2013 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features and packages include the driver assistance package, a navigation system, heated seats, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, front and rear reading lights, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.